please state your name, your number, and your Maya. Charot.
Hello, I'm King from Atasha Squad.
Yes! Atasha
I'm a
Squad.
big fan of Tash.
Of course.
Yeah.
Sino mo naman?
Ayun, Tash, I just want to, I'm curious actually, dun sa role na din, diba? So, when you first read the script, did you actually agree with Sigap kasi?
Natutunaw siya. Yak naman. Alas 4 pa lang. Natutunaw ka na ng mga tao. Yes.
When you read the script, did you actually agree with, I mean personally, did you agree with everything she did? And if ever na merong mga things that you did not agree with, what are those and why? And yung mga things naman that you agree with, what are those and why?
Ganda ng tanong natin.
Super curious talaga ako.
Exams yung tanong niya.
Pero maganda naman ang
Oo,
tanong.
sobra.
Very good. Para sa akin, I don't agree personally with Ting. But I also agree with the character of Lynn kasi her reason behind it was for her father. Lahat ng ginawa niya para sa pamilya, which is also very relatable dito sa Pinas. Siyempre naman kasi family is number one.
Yeah. Go ahead, ate.
Opo, I'm Leia po. Hindi po ako ni Atash.
Nice.
From Atash's Friends. So, ang question ko is, for all of you, what was the biggest lesson that Bad Genius has taught you? Na parang, bukod dun sa sinabi ninyo na parang collaboration and teamwork will beat the system. So, on your own perspective, what are the lessons that you've learned in Bad Genius?
So Bad Genius is that teamwork makes the dream work. Yan talaga. We all have to work together towards one goal, and obviously if we all work together, a lot of great things comes out of it.
For me, there are no shortcuts. Mas maganda pa rin pag pinaghirapan mo yung isang bagay. It's all gonna be worth it. Kasi there's always gonna be consequences. So yeah.
Ayun, siguro always choose kindness. And kumbaga, at the end of the day, if whatever gifts that you have in life, kung matalino ka, make sure na gamitin mo siya sa tama.
Thank you so much. Grabe yung mga tanong nila, no? Pang-reporter. Yung mga tanong nila, pang-reporter.
Ang ganda
Ano naman ang workshop muna sa'yo to?
Yes!
Baka tanong mo talaga yan, tapos binigay mo lang sa...
Hindi naman. Ito guys, 1 o'clock.
Sa inyo lahat, I just want to congratulate all of you. Lahat po kayo ng super galing niyo po talaga. And dahil, ayun po, I mean natin po from Atasha Squad, Idol. And gusto ko lang po itanong dahil syempre, sa lahat ng naging taping nyo, how will you describe your bonding with each other?
Na-click agad eh. Kasi yung first time we all met, syempre naman we were all very nervous. Tapos when we had our first workshop, everything went super well. Tapos we started going out after tapings. Pagkatapos ng mga tapings namin, we started going to Tagaytay, doing more adventures. Tapos every take was always so much fun. Kahit sobrang mabigat yung eksena, okay naman, we were always laughing after every take and always having a good time. That's where I can say I was super, super grateful and super lucky to be with this cast.
Actually, nalungkot ako nung last taping day. Parang, after nung last shot, parang, there were no proper goodbyes.
Yeah.
And I was telling the prod, sana meron kaming parang getaway, parang goodbye party or something. Kasi parang 6 AM na kasi kami natapos nun. 6 may araw na, and then pagod na lahat. And kailangan namin matapos that day. And I was like, I wish I could have, spent more time with them. Because we really build friendship and family. Yun naman yung maganda sa bawat bagong show, you build new friendships and yun na never mo ma-forget yung mga experience na. And grabe rin yung pinagdaanan namin sa Bad Genius. It's not an easy project, especially yung mga shots na ginawa nila Direct Derek. So yeah, I'm really thankful to be part of the project.
Yeah, siguro, hindi lang sa amin nabuo yung friendship and family. Even the people, gaya na sabi ni Gab, even the people behind the camera, sobrang naging malapit sa amin and sobrang maging unforgettable sila. Yeah, happy kami kasi hindi lang yung preparation na sa aming apat na kay Direk. Lahat ng support, kahit hindi man siya about the movie, pero yung support lang, yung warmth lang ng energy lang ng bawat isa ng staff at ng crew sa amin. Malaking tulong yun kasi nakakagaan magtrabaho, mas excited ka magtrabaho sa araw-araw kasi walang pressure with the people behind your back. Parang punta ka lang doon, you're just gonna do your work, and then alam mo lahat ng tao mag-a-align yung energy and support sa'yo.
Oh, thank you so much.
Hello po, good afternoon po. So from Natasha's din po, pero yung question ko po para sa inyo tatlo. Ano lang po yung similarities nyo as a character po sa Bajillos tapos in real life din po?
Maganda yun. Similarity siguro yung love para sa tatay niya. Very, very similar into real life is that the same love that we would do anything for our families is the same thing I would do for my own in the regards to the character Lynn. Pero siguro makaiba in a way where yung personality ko mas makulit, si Lynn masyadong serious, tapos lahat contained, everything's compressed. Lahat na nangyayari na sa utak niya. She doesn't ever reveal her true emotions.
Siguro yung similarities naman, pag maliit na bagay lang, yung joke lang. Hindi, yung siguro yung love for family din as well. Kasi makikita talaga dun kay Bang kung gaano niya kamahal yung family niya. So, ako kasi sobrang love ko yung family ko. I always put my family first. Yung loved ones ko, yung mga tao na nagmamahal sa akin. So, siguro yun. And at the same time, yung core niya na syempre may iba tayong mga paniniwala in life. May iba tayong mga understanding and everything. Naniniwala siya as long as tama yung understanding niya, tama yung paninindigan niya, panghawakan niya.
For me, siguro yung naging hunger niya na maging proud yung dad niya sa kanya. Kasi he wants to prove himself sa dad niya. And I was like that before, but me and my dad are good now, so and I made him proud naman. You always want your parents to be proud of you, so yeah.
Alright. Ang bilis! Grabe! We're down to our last question pala. Oo, ang dami siyang tanong, pero...
Sige, yung last question mo, 5 questions. Joke lang.
Sige, si
Don't worry, may pictorial kayo after. Go ahead, ate.
Hi Tash, hi Jai, hi Rob. I'm so happy na nandito ako kasi from premiere night, present na kaming Atasha Squad. And sobrang, congratulations kasi, napakaganda ng series na to. As in, tumatak yung bawat character niya. So, ito na yung question. Yan. So, kailangan ka na. Ang question ko, kung sa totoong buhay ba, as Dean, Bang, and Pad, gagawin niyo rin ba yung cheating na ginawa nila para lang ma-justify yung rason ng bawat na rason ng cheating kung bakit yung ginawa niyo?
Ganda naman ng tanong. Ganda. Ginalingan mo doon. Would I do it personally? Yes, I would. Because we were able to experience it and knowing what their true purpose was, which was to fix a broken system, which is what everyone deserves, which is a fair education. Yes, I would definitely do it.
Ako din siguro, oo. Nagkataon lang siguro yung reach ng apat is just within their range. Sa school lang, di ba? Even the other cheating na hindi ko na some of you already know, na hindi pa rin ganong kalawak eh. Siguro kung ganito yung reach ng bawat isa, siguro gagawin ko para lang ma-beat yung system, para lang magkaroon ng pagbabago sa kung anong meron tayong mindset.
For me, ayoko kasi ginawa ni Pat nung sa simula. Ayoko yung, iba kasi yung rason ni Lynn, iba rason ni Bang, iba rin yung rason ni Pat. Pat just wanted an easy way. And I didn't like that. He wanted to just pay for the answers, an easy way to graduate. And yeah, I wouldn't do it.
Wow! I love it. Ay, ito na talaga, syempre, dahil nandito sila kanina pa, may pahabol pa tayo. Bonus question!
Hi, I'm Mika from Team Natasha. Yung question is, did you rewatch the original Bajillos movie and series for inspiration? Or did you want to bring a fresh take to your character?
Siyempre, of course naman, we watched well, for me personally, I watched yung US tapos yung Thai version, yung movie series. Pero while watching, I go, how can I little bit different? How do I make it different from the character? And luckily, thanks to Direk and the whole team, they were able to rewrite the story in a way where it's more relatable to the Filipinos.
Oo, importante yun. Kasi bakit? Kahit na gumawa kami ng panibagong touch namin dun sa character, sa ko yun na naisip ko, kahit gumawa ka ng panibagong touch dun sa character, kailangan ma-remain yung core ni Bang kasi yun yung nakilala ng mga tao na Bang. So at the end of the day, what's important is you leave the core, right? Kung paano siya nagsimula hanggang sa iba't ibang adaptation. But ang babaguhin lang natin is paano siya sa mom niya, paano siya outside the school, paano siya sa school. So, and yung ibang atake lang siguro, ibang klaseng personality a little bit. But the core itself, dapat manatili yun. Kaya importante na mapanood yun. Kaya pinanood ko talaga.
Actually, assignment talaga namin yun, panoorin yung Thai series. Before we started, and then before we went to workshop, kailangan namin aralin kung paano talaga yung characters namin. Pero syempre, Direk didn't want to do copy and paste. He wanted a, Filipino version of Pat when it comes to his dad or how, kung gaano siya ka-loud. Sa akin, mas gusto niya mas loud ako eh. Instead na si Pat na mas, actually gusto niya mas, tame down si Pat na hindi ganun ka, gusto niya yung parang, what's that show again?
Oo, alam mo ito yung lalaki.
Gossip Girl.
Yung lalaki na gusto niya.
Chuck Bass, yeah. Yun yung gusto sa akin ni Direk. Alam ah. But yeah.
Wow. Okay ka na, ate? Ito na.
Jason Beck.
Oh, eto, guys, of course, final words lang. Siyempre, bago natin ma-meet ang ating mga nagtanong kanina at photo op, what do you want to say about Bad Genius and what they'll really expect if it's their first time to watch it?
Ganda ng tanong din yan, MJ! What to expect? Of course, this is gonna be a new touch to Bad Genius. This is the Philippine adaptation. And for me personally, I just want to thank everyone for coming here today. And I want to, more importantly, thank everyone who's been supporting Bad Genius from the very beginning. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. And I really hope you guys enjoyed the show because we gave everything that we could. Thank you.
Yeah, syempre first of all, thank you for coming here, guys. And also, yung support ninyo from episode 1 to the last episode, sobrang ramdam namin yun. Nagbabasa kami, lahat yun na-appreciate namin and very thankful kami and grateful sa support ninyo. And hopefully, sana ganun pa rin, kahit napanood nyo na, let's take this opportunity na mapanood siya sa Free TV. Let's spread the good news na nasa Free TV tayo ngayon every Saturday. So, ayun, again, maraming salamat.
Yes, first of all, thank you po sa time nyo na pagpunta dito. Appreciate you guys. And of course, thank you sa TV5 that you guys are letting us, Signal Play, for letting us play sa Free TV. Sa mga nanood since episode 1 na natapos niya, maraming salamat po sa pag-support. And sana supportan niyo po rin po. Thank you.
Alright, thank you so much, guys. May I invite you, Tash, Jairus, and of course, Gab, dito sa gitna ng stage. And of course, Groovy da. Groovy daw muna. Madaming set ng phone.